Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make affirmative sentence into negative sentence. So, let's get started. So, there are some rules we have to follow. Rule number 1, by using not before opposite word. Look at examples. He is poor. Now this sentence is affirmative sentence, so we have to make it into negative. So what to do? Instead of poor, we have to find out opposite word, that is rich. And before rich we have to put here not. So sentence becomes he is not rich. Let's see some more examples. She is healthy. So opposite word of healthy is unhealthy. So before unhealthy we have to put here not. So sentence becomes she is not unhealthy. The next sentence, Jia is walking slowly. So again we have to find out opposite word of slowly is fast. So Jia is not walking fast. Rule number 2, replace only or alone with none but by using none but in the starting of the sentence. Look at examples. Only Ria was present. Now see here, the sentence has started with only word. So when we make it into negative, we have to start the sentence with none but. So none but Ria was present. Next, only Jai can do it. Again, the sentence has started with only, so answer will be none but. So none but, and after that remaining sentence. So none but Jai can do it. Next example, only he can do the sum. The answer is none but he can do the sum. Rule number 3, by using did not fail. Look at examples. She saw the Taj. Now in the sentence we have to use did not fail. So subject is she. So after subject we have to put here did not fail. After that the verb is saw. So after did not fail we have to put here verb first form see. And after that remaining sentence the Taj. So it's become she did not fail to see the Taj. Next example, she found her dishonest. Again, after subject she, we have to put here did not fail to. After that the verb is found, so we have to put here verb first form find. And after that remaining sentence her dishonest. Next rule, if the sentence of comparative degree is affirmative, then use not in positive degree. Look at example. You are greater than Ram. So first keep the subject Ram is verb. After that not. Between as we have to put the greater's positive degree great, and after that you. So it becomes Ram is not as great as you. Next example, Pune is smaller than Mumbai. So again the subject Mumbai, verb is, after that put not, and between as we have to put the smallest positive degree small, and then remaining sentence Pune is. The sentence becomes Mumbai is not as small as Pune is. Next rule number 5. If the sentence of positive degree is affirmative, then use not in comparative degree. This rule is opposite of rule number 4. Look at example. Ramesh is as tall as Suresh. So again we have to make it into negative sentence. So let us see, keep the first subject Suresh, after that verb is, after that keep not, and then tall is an adjective, so its comparative degree taller. after that Dan, and then first subject Ramesh. So it becomes Suresh is not taller than Ramesh. The next example, your daughter is as wise as you. Do the same process. You are not wiser than your daughter. Alright, next rule. Rule number 6, removing adverb to. Look at example. She is too dull to pass the exam. So, keep the first subject and then verb she is. After that, removing to, we have to use here so, so. After that, dull, then we have to put here that. After that, again the subject of this sentence she, then the sentence is affirmative, so we have to make it into negative, so put the cannot, and after that pass the exam remaining sentence. Sentence becomes she is so dull that she cannot pass the exam. Next example, he is too weak to walk. The answer is he is so weak that he cannot walk. Next rule. Rule number 7, replace as soon as by no sooner. Then change affirmative sentence into interrogative. Then use than between both the clauses and do not use question mark. Look at examples. As soon as he arrives, she begins to work. Look at answer. Remove as soon as and instead of as soon as, use no sooner. Afterward, the verb is arrives, that is in present tense, so put the does after no sooner, then keep the subject he and arrive. After that, remove comma and use then remaining sentence he begin to work. Now it becomes no sooner does he arrive than she begin to work. Alright. Next example. As soon as she opened the door, the bird flew away. Again, remove as soon as and keep no sooner at the starting. Afterward, the open is in past tense, so we have to put did after no sooner. Then the subject she, and afterward we have to keep here open present tense form. After that, the door, then remove comma and use than. Again, remaining sentence, the bird flew away. So it becomes no sooner did she open the door than the bird flew away. Next rule, rule number 8, remove unable to and use cannot in present and could not in past. Look at example. She was unable to climb the mountain. The answer will be keep the subject for she. After that, the sentence belongs to past, so we have to put here could not after subject. Then remove was unable to and keep the remaining sentence climb the mountain. So sentence becomes she could not climb the mountain. Next example, he is unable to walk. Again, put the subject he, then remove is unable to, that is in present tense, so we have to put cannot. Afterward, remaining sentence walk. So it becomes he cannot walk. One worksheet is done for you. Hope you will solve this. Let's see. Today we have done affirmative sentence into negative sentence. If you understood today's video well, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.